our new Maricopa County attorney, Allister Adel. Before we go to that, though, would like to just recognize a few individuals. First of all, we're really blessed to have some elected officials with us today. We have the Attorney General, the state of Arizona, Mark Brnovich here. Thank you for being with us, General Brnovich. As well, we have members of the county team with us. We have the Maricopa County Superintendent of Schools, Steve Watson, with us. Great to see you, Superintendent Watson. And we also have the Maricopa County Sheriff, Paul Penzone, is with us today. Sheriff, thanks for joining us. And of course, we're here talking about our county attorney, so excited to have members of the bench with us as well. We have the presiding judge of the criminal bench with us, Judge Starr. Thank you for being here today. Now, I think as everyone in this room knows, this has been a very difficult process with some incredibly talented candidates, and we're grateful for all the individuals who applied for this position, and also grateful for those we actually have in the room with us today, some of those applicants. So thank you to them for being here. We appreciate that, and that's what Team Maricopa County is all about. As well, helping us in this process, we had a citizens committee of 7 individuals that this board appointed to assist us in the process. We have one of the members of that committee, Ben Taylor, with us today. Ben, thank you so much. Thank you to you and the entire committee who assisted us in this important and difficult process. So thank you so much. So with that, what I'd like to do is turn the mic over at this point to my colleagues. If you all would like to make any remarks before we go to the swearing in of our new county attorney. Supervisor Gallardo.
I guess I'll start it off here. First of all, just want to once again thank our citizens panel. Ben, thank you so much. I know all 7 of our members have very busy schedules and hectic, and for you to take out the time, I think you guys met like for the full days, you know, doing the interviews and the reviews and so on. So thank you for that service. I think your input was very valuable. So thank you so much. And all the candidates that applied, as you indicated before, and I think previously at the formal vote, it was not an easy decision. There was a lot of thought through it. I mean, just yesterday going home, we had an opportunity to really think it through. You know, sleep on it, as Mr. Hickman indicated. We want be able to sleep on it and come back and this morning and deliberate some more in terms of who would be the right fit for this particular office. I think we have that person here with us, and I do want to say congratulations. I look forward to working with you and sitting down and getting to know each other a little bit better. As I indicated yesterday, there was only a couple of the candidates that I was familiar with, just professionally and politically. I knew out in the world, but many of the candidates I just wasn't familiar with. I had their resumes and letters on all the candidates, but I'm really interested in sitting down and talking and see how we move forward. I think I made it clear just in our interviews the concerns I had and what I was looking forward to see come out of the county attorney's office. So congratulations, and I look forward to working with you.
Thank you. Supervisor Sellers.
Thank you, Chairman. You know, I was just really pleased to be a part of this process. It was extremely intense, thorough, and comprehensive, including the 7-member committee that did most of the work for us through this process. And it just makes me proud to be a part of Maricopa County. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Supervisor Chukri.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. I don't want to echo what I said just a few moments ago and bore the 4 of you again, but I'm going to. And that is really, and Ben, you're here. We as a county, and I think, Allister, you're seeing that firsthand at this moment, we rise together and we fall together. You have the sheriff here, you've got Mr. Watson here, you've got countywide electeds that came at a moment's notice, and they came to support you. They came to support what has become a new Maricopa County family. And as the fourth largest county in America, as the fastest growing county in America, the five of us realized we have an important job to do, and that is to continue that success. And in doing so, we knew that this selection, this appointment was bigger than all of us. And we had our own desires, we had our own thought processes about who should be on the selection committee, and we went really back to square one to say, okay, who will best represent the community and understand the important task at hand. And I think if we excelled at one major thing at the outset, Mr. Chairman, it was that, in selecting and identifying people just like you, Ben, to bring the 5 candidates to us. And for the 8 candidates that were to be considered for this, I applaud all of them. I think they are a great compliment to the county and to the county attorney's work, the work of law. And I think what we were able to come to understand is not only their talent, but their commitment to this body, to the work we do. And I applaud, some of them are here today, I applaud them for being here. I think that speaks volumes. And I also think that you earned this, Allister. You earned the right to sit where you're sitting. Judge Welty has rehearsed this very well, so he's going to swear you in here shortly. But you earned the right to be where you are and to represent all of us, really, and to represent what I believe is the finest county in America. So congratulations.
Thank you very much. Vice Chairman Hickman.
I always hate following Chukri. I do. So what he said, I say, and we'll just go right to the thing. Allister, I think it's going to show to the entire county what a great pick that not only our Citizens Committee that came and put your name forward with 4 other fantastic individuals, all 8 of the individuals were fantastic in their own right. I think the county is going to find out just how smart 5 of us are in assigning a citizens committee and going this route. The process, I think, was fantastic. It was tough, you know, when you're looking at extraordinary people. The reason why we needed to find somebody extraordinary is after working at this county for getting close to 6 years, you're gonna be handed to the keys of a great car, which is the county attorney's office here. They are great people. They make spectacular decisions day to day. And I think that's extremely apparent when you have these judges sitting here. The fruit of the work of the labor that comes out of there really signifies justice to this county. And you're going to be that person, that point person of the spear of justice to our county residents. So congratulations. I look forward to working for you. I've worked in a small capacity with you before and your dad on a certain item, and I just want to thank you for being here also. You're going to have a big job as a parent, too, for somebody that's going to be on the news quite often. So thank you for all and the electeds for being here and showing support, because we all do support you in this role.
Thank you, Supervisor Hickman. As an attorney, this was particularly exciting process to be involved in for me, and it was truly an honor. And there were 8 fantastic attorneys who we looked at. But going through all of this process and having the opportunity to speak with each and every one of them and looking at the resumes, Allister Adel rose to the top. She has a background in criminal law, and she has a background in civil as well, which is important for the Board of Supervisors and for all of Maricopa County. And she has experience as an administrator. So again, I know I speak on behalf of the board when I say congratulations. We look forward to working with you. And with that, I'd like to ask the presiding judge of the Maricopa County Superior Court, Joe Welty, to come and come into the well and administer the oath to our new county attorney.
I, Allister Adel, do solemnly swear.
I,
do solemnly swear
that I will defend the Constitution of the United States
that I will defend the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution and laws of the state of Arizona.
and the Constitution and laws of the state of Arizona.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will defend them against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will defend them against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
And that I will faithfully and impartially discharge
And that I will faithfully and impartially discharge
the duties of the Maricopa County Attorney
the duties of the Maricopa County Attorney
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Chairman Gates, members of the board, Judge Welty. I know we're in an open meeting session, so it's a little awkward that I'm going to face you, but I do want to make some brief remarks. I want to thank the board and the Citizens Committee for your hard work. I know it was a difficult process for all of you, but you took so much time and diligence, and I want to thank all of my other applicants. There was an amazing group that was put forth, and I'm honored to be selected. I promised in my interview process that I would serve with integrity and honor. I make this commitment to you and every member of Maricopa County that we are going to work collaboratively together to move forward the mission and the values of the fourth largest county in the United States. To the criminal justice community, the civil community, all the legal community, our victims, we are here to protect your rights. We are here to do justice and do what is fair. I am committed to this. To our community leaders out there, our community groups, we hear your strong voice, and I am here to listen. To our law enforcement officers, you are not walking alone. We stand beside you. And I want to say thank you to Phoenix Law Enforcement Association, PLEA, and the Fraternal Order of the Police, who supported me in this quest to become your new Maricopa County Attorney. To our dedicated Maricopa County Attorney employees, I am really excited to be rejoining you. We are going to accomplish some amazing things together. Finally, I want to thank all of my supporters, my friends, my family, my husband and father who are here today. Without them, I couldn't do this. I am honored to be your next county attorney, your first woman county attorney. And like I told you in the interviews, I'm going to work hard and I'm not going to let you down. While I am full of gratitude, it's time to get to work. So thank you, and I look forward to getting to know all of you better, and I look forward to having a wonderful, long-lasting, collaborative relationship. Thank you.
Thank you for your remarks, and if you would be willing, we'd like to take a picture with the Board of Supervisors. Thank you. With no further business in front of the Board of Supervisors, this meeting is adjourned.